Have you ever looked at a motorcycle and thought, that looks like a tractor had a baby with a mountain bike? If so, you're looking at a living legend. Most bikes are built for high-speed aero or polished chrome. But this machine was built for something much weirder and way more fun. Today we are diving deep into a cult classic that refuses to die. A bike that turns every sidewalk curb, sandy trail and mud-slicked back road into its personal playground. Get ready because the 2026 Yamaha TW125 is back. And it's still the chunky, funky king of the dual sport world. But wait, there is a massive secret hiding in this year's model. That changes the Trailway legacy forever. Stick around because this isn't just a simple update. It's a total evolution, a cult classic reborn. The two heritage, the Yamaha TW series, affectionately known as the Trailway, has been a staple in Yamaha's lineup since the late 1980s. While it saw its peak popularity in Europe and Japan throughout the 90s, it eventually became a rare gem as emission standards tightened. For 2026, Yamaha is leaning hard into that retro cool utility, proving that, while the rest of the world is obsessed with 200 horsepower superbikes, the TW125 remains the Switzerland of motorcycles. Completely unbothered by the horsepower wars, it's famous for those massive balloon-like tires that make it look more like a two-wheeled quad than a standard bike. But don't let the small displacement fool you. This bike isn't about winning drag races. It's about going exactly where those shiny sport bikes can't, and doing it with a smile on its face. The heart of the beast, refined engineering. Under the slim fuel tank lies the soul of this machine, a refined version of Yamaha's bulletproof 125cc, air-cooled single-cylinder engine. For the 2026 model year, the big news is the transition to a sophisticated, electronic fuel injection FE system. For years, purists love the old carburetors for their simplicity. But the new FI system brings the TW125 into the modern era, offering crisp throttle response and flawless cold starts. Whether you're at sea level or high in the mountains, it's pushing out a respectable 11 to 12 horsepower, which might sound modest until you realize the bike's wet weight is only about 118 kilogram, with a short ratio 5-speed gearbox. It's geared specifically to crawl through thick mud and urban gridlock. Like a mountain goat on a mission, design and ergonomics the low-seat champion. One of the TW125's greatest strengths has always been its accessibility, at a time when most dual sport bikes have sky-high seat heights that make beginners nervous. The 2026 TW125 sits at a very friendly 790 millimeters, 31.1 inches. This means almost anyone can put both feet flat on the ground. The ergonomics are upright and active, giving the rider a commanding view of the trail or the traffic ahead. The chassis remains the iconic slim diamond-type steel frame, but for 2026, Yamaha has slightly reinforced the subframe to handle more luggage, a nod to the growing moto camping community that has adopted the TW as their favorite pack mule. Suspension and handling the balloon tire magic. Let's talk about the elephants in the room. Those tires with a 138. It's 18 up front and a massive 188. It's 14 in the rear. The TW125 has a larger contact patch than many small cars. This creates a flotation effect, allowing the bike to stay on top of soft sand, deep gravel and loose snow, where other 125cc bikes would simply dig a hole and get stuck. The suspension has been updated for 2026, with 33 millimeters, telescopic front forks and a monocross rear link system that provides roughly 160 millimeters of travel. It's not a motocross bike meant for 30-foot jumps, but for soaking up potholes and navigating rock gardens. It is incredibly plush and forgiving. Braking and safety modern touches. Yamaha hasn't ignored safety in this 2026 refresh. The front braking system features a 220mm single disc with a dual piston caliper, providing plenty of bite for a lightweight machine. In a move to satisfy modern regulations, Yamaha has finally added a single-channel ABS to the front wheel, which is a lifesaver on wet city streets. The rear still utilizes a reliable 130mm drum brake, which might seem old school, but it's actually preferred by many off-roaders for its durability in muddy conditions and its ease of maintenance when you're miles away from a mechanic. The big surprise, the 2026 Rally Expedition reveal. Now here is the surprise that has kept the motorcycle forums buzzing. For the 2026 model year, Yamaha has introduced a limited Rally Expedition trim. This isn't just a fancy sticker kit. For the first time in the history of the 125cc platform, Yamaha has included a factory-fitted 10-liter long-range fuel tank, extending the bike's range to nearly 400 kilometers. But that's not all. This edition features a full LED lighting suite, a rugged aluminum skid plate, and a digital LCD dash. With integrated GPS navigation and smartphone connectivity, it's a micro-adventure bike that is ready to cross borders. Straight out of the showroom, Yamaha has essentially built a mini Tenere for the masses, and the world is eating it up. Real-world performance city streets to dusty peaks on the pavement. The TW125 is a blast. Its wide tires make it incredibly stable, and the tight turning radius allows you to weave through stalled traffic with ease. It's not a highway cruiser. Top speed is around 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, but on B roads and city lanes, it's the king of the commute. However, the bike truly comes alive when the asphalt ends. The low center of gravity and the tractor-like torque of the engine allow you to pick your way through technical trails that would intimidate riders on much larger machines. It doesn't scream, it chugs, and that chug is exactly what makes it so charming. Maintenance and longevity, the forever bike. One of the main reasons the TW125 has such a dedicated following is its reliability. It's often referred to as a forever bike. Because there is so little to go wrong, the air-cooled engine is simple to work on, the parts are widely available, and Yamaha's build quality ensures that these bikes can take a beating and keep on ticking for the 2026 model. Yamaha has even made the air filter accessible without tools, allowing you to clean it out quickly after a long day in the dust. It's a bike designed for people who want to spend more time riding and less time in the garage. Comparison TW125 versus the competition in the 125cc dual sport segment. The TW125 stands alone. Its closest rivals, like the Honda XR150L or the Kawasaki Kalex 125, focus more on traditional dirt bike styling and thinner tires. While those bikes might be slightly faster on a flat gravel road, they can't match the TW's go-anywhere capability in sand or mud. The TW125 isn't just a motorcycle. It's a specialized tool. It's for the rider who values traction and stability over raw speed. If you want a bike that feels like an extension of your body, no matter how nasty the terrain gets, the TW remains the undisputed heavyweight of the lightweight class. Final verdict: why you need one in your garage. The 2026 Yamaha TW125 isn't trying to be the most technologically advanced or the most aggressive bike on the market. It is a celebration of fun-sized adventure. It's for the beginner who wants to feel confident, the commuter who wants to handle potholes with ease, and the explorer who wants to see what's at the end of that sandy trail. With the new fuel injection and the surprise rally expedition features, Yamaha has taken a perfect design and made it even better for the modern era. It's a bike that reminds us why we started riding in the first place, for the pure, unadulterated joy of exploration. So what do you think is the 2026 Yamaha TW125? The ultimate small displacement adventure bike? Or are those fat tires just a gimmick to you? Would you take the new rally version on a cross-country trip? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the bikes of the future. Bike future. Road and off, most riders will likely leave it in road, where the system works silently in the background to ensure that 805cc of V-twin torque doesn't spin the rear tire on slick pavement. The verdict: the soulful alternative. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 800 Drifter is a bold statement. In a world where the motorcycle industry is obsessed with faster, lighter, sharper, Kawasaki decided to go deeper. This bike is for the rider who values the journey over the destination. The person who views a motorcycle as an extension of their personality, rather than just a piece of transportation. It's a bike that starts conversations, wins awards at local bike nights, and provides a visceral, mechanical connection to the road that few modern machines can match. It's reliable, it's technologically advanced, and it's arguably the most beautiful cruiser to hit the market in the last 20 years. The Drifter has returned to remind us that while the future is coming, the past still has a lot to say. It's a ghost that has finally found its way home. Bright future.